The first thing I'm going to do is just show you guys what this new system comes with, the parts, stuff like that. You've got your manuals, obviously. So this comes with the 1080p camera. These are a little wider than you know, the Dometics or whoever else makes these, but I've had no issue with them. I went from the original one that I had to one of these, and it sticks out a little farther, but who cares? So it comes with that, and then they really did a good job on the new monitor, on the new screen. It's a lot heavier, a lot more heavy duty. It doesn't have the side buttons, it's all touch screen. So this is the old one, this is their new one. The weight's quite a bit different. This one's actually a bit heavier. It's got more technology in it because it's now doing multiple things. And you know, they took away like this power cord. They've done some really cool upgrades to this one that makes it less wires, and it's from what I've seen out of the box, it looks better. We'll see. It comes with your mounts that go under either your windshield or this one, you can just put it straight on your dashboard. So it's got those. What it also has, so since it is the built-in TPMS system, these are their caps. So they're a lot smaller than the ones that I had, and they don't stick out as far. The only thing that I can tell right off the bat that is a little different is I can air up the tire with this still on. I can't do that with this. So if I gotta air it up, I actually gotta take this off all the way and then do it instead of just taking off your little black cap and going straight through your tire pressure system to air up the tire. Other than that, I really like the size of it. It's very small, takes the same style battery, and yeah. The one that we got, that they sent us, has 4, because I have 4 tires on my trailer. I don't need it for the truck. So this does hold up to 32. So, you know, toy haulers and adding to your cars, it does all that. It also came with the booster. So this will just be something that I put in the dry bay underneath, kind of in between the tires and where the monitor will go. It just helps boost it. The old TST one that I have has that too, so there's no difference there. They sent me 2 of these because they were thinking maybe I could use both of them. I don't think I'll need both of them. We have a 42-foot fifth wheel, and I'll do the distances from where I put the booster and compared to where the tires are, compared to where the monitor's going, and I'll show you guys the distance and what that looks like. The old one, you know, it has the cord coming out, it plugs into an adapter that then plugs into your cigarette lighter. They've changed that. You still do have the cigarette lighter option if you want, but it's just one plug now. It doesn't have multiple plugs. That was kind of an issue I had with them, is there was just wires everywhere. I had to zip tie it. There was a lot of wires, too many wires. What they did though is now you can either do the cigarette lighter or the Type-C USB. So it's got the USB that just goes straight into your car or your truck, and then just a Type-C adapter straight into this. And so it's a lot less wires, a lot less to mess with. So I do like that so far. You know, for the backup camera, it does come with the adapters and things like that. For ours, it's pre-wired. Obviously, I already have that camera on there. So I don't think I'm even gonna switch the camera out because it's the exact same one. But for ours, it just pulls off the old one, plug it in, and screw it back in. Very simple. I'll show you guys what that looks like. I'll take mine off and still do that. You have your antenna wires, so these are for the monitor. The smaller ones go just on the monitor, and then this one is for the camera itself in the back. They did include batteries as well that go into the little monitoring system. It's the CR1632. Another thing that these come with is this, and this is just a extension antenna for the backup camera going to the monitor in the truck. In the manual, it says if you're anywhere from 43 to 65 foot from where the camera's at, they recommend doing this. You just put it on the back and run it on the top of the roof, and then put this somewhere up front. I didn't do that on my last one, and I've never had any connection issues. My bars have always been good. I've never lost connection, so I'm not gonna do this, but it does come with this if you're getting a weak signal somehow. But like I said, I mean, we're 42 foot plus the dually going all the way to the cab, and I've never had to use this. So it's getting good signal. I think it just would help maybe, but like I said, I've never needed it.